I got lobster tacos. All I need. A taco hate to see me coming. A taco hate to see me coming. Thank you.
Behind the scenes, y'all working together?
I would have said Jim and Dad. This is orange. Mine is orange.
I gotta be my color thing right here. They look pink.
Yeah, mine is orange.
I can see it with the shoes.
There are lies that you want to stick around, and I just don't know why. They but I mean that every night when you write certain things will happen on the brain. It's a self-serve margarita, but thank you. That it hurts, but God was 99 is a shame. I ain't had no first time you eating? I had a cucumber salad. I had a cucumber salad today. That's it. These are corn tortillas, not flour. Damn. It's breaking.
I got mine.
Damn. My tortillas is breaking that. Lobster tacos. So good. It's real lobster meat too. Not the imitation lobster. It's the real lobster. They market price too. They breaking that. I'm a country girl. Thank you. I just threw this up in the bun. Hey, girlie. Hey. You did that fast. Thank you. All right. See ya. Nice meeting you. What else is there? I Raindrop. You said what?
I said, I'm an artist in the summer. My name is
Nice to meet you.
over the years, I remember the name, Ray.
Yep, that's how I'm phone.
My band would perform on like every other Friday, so maybe like live music.
Yeah, where?
Different restaurants, we got one in Stockbridge, we do try to get one in the city. Our next one will be down in Stockbridge, it's called Rose and Smoke, in Bar 42.
Okay.
Pretty dope, man. Get out.
I love live music.
Get out.
Ebony got me out. Ebony got me out. Ebony got me out. The murder mommy. Yes, ma'am. Jumping on your ankle.
gotta go home. You can't play.
I'll be in the house. I'm gonna be out right after the hurt.
Hey, you can't play.
Uh-uh.
Don't do that no more. Your husband can.
Oh my God. Woo! That was a good laugh. I needed that laugh.
And I admit, when the time is right, the line is right, I treat you right. The time is right, I treat you right. Forget the Tony, you just go to the crib. Forget the Tony.
Kid play here that. They do. Why are we getting no lights? Why am I like that, bitch? Why are you fucking? You drunk already? Bitch. Magnum tacos. I haven't ate no fun food all day. The only thing I had today was a cucumber salad. And I had some cereal. That's it. I'm good. This shit got me twisted. This is Blue at home. Look, I was with Blue. We went to go in the truck and got lucky. I jumped in that truck. I said, I'm going to be empty. I think somebody else. She said, take Legend with you. I said, I said, Legend can't come with me. I got shit all over me. Like this. Supposed to be firecrackers that night. My sister will be down Friday. She landed like 4:30. So we're gonna go to they got an Airbnb. Okay. So we're gonna pull up over there if you wanna come. We're gonna do some food Saturday. What time y'all going there? I'm gonna ask Jay. I think I'll look for that. I don't know. We probably go like at 5 on Saturday. You got a section too at the stage, in front of the stage. So be like this. He be like, I'm like, nigga, stop playing. Look at this shit. I got shit all over me. Look at this shit. The gym. I've been to the gym. I haven't even. I'm dirty for real. I got shit all over me. Look at this. This dirt. Look at this. Look at all this. A dirt ball. I need to go home and fucking shower. Up in the gym today. Girl, look at me. Look at all this shit. Dirt. How long y'all been working out for? 1 hour? They my favorite too. I just picked up a Friday class, but we usually only do Monday to Thursday. We got an optional Friday class. I go back to court today. Today, right? Today. Get that motherfucker off. Hopefully. I gotta sign the judge. My lawyer said the prosecutor is a bitch. Really? It's a female. Like, girl. My judge is a female and my vendor prosecutor is a female. He said the prosecutor is a bitch. He said she give out time. He said, he was like, she's trying to give his other client that murdered somebody 5 years. I said, well, I didn't murder nobody. I didn't even hurt nobody. I didn't harm nobody. No weapons was involved. No, I didn't harm nobody. I didn't put my hands on nobody or nothing. You getting another one? Girl, no. I'm going to do this shit. That was good. I've never had one of those. They're real good. I just want to give me one to go. I'm going to go home. For real? I'm lit. They fill the whole cup of ice cream with them. For real? No, ma'am. Yeah, let's go. I was going to go up there on Friday, too, when my sister got here. I was going to take her up there. What it look like? I might get one of their pieces to go home. That's probably I don't need it, though. The bread. I'm like, I'm telling you, I was going to eat tacos. That's why you call it the pizza. I might get the kitchen pizza. Well, I made spaghetti yesterday and we took our leftovers. That motherfucking spaghetti so fucking good. Baby. I ain't eating them today. I'm just gonna stay away from the carbs. Yeah. Carbs is not my friend. If I stare at carbs too long, I can't wait. And I wish I could. God damn, give me some. Damn, I can't gain weight for shit. I just need like 7 more pounds. Girl. I need 7. Take it. I need 7. I just lost 7. God damn. I can't gain weight for nothing. Asian test on all she. I can tell her she flies. Say ay ay ay, say ay 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 ay. Oh man, look at shorty, she making that thing jiggle. Me bring a widow. Yes, you can. I can tell that she's fine. I'm not. Just do it. You stop it too bad. Just keep letting go. I'm ready to. Oh, he did. Ready? Thank you. I can't even walk. Shit. Thank you. Is they open up right now? Yeah. Thank you. Yep, I'll meet you down there. Alright. Shit. I'm lit as fuck. Liddy! Liddy with the titties. Shit. Whew. Baby. Got my duckies. Got my duckies, bitches. Got my duckies, horse. Got my duckies, bitches. Everybody just waving at me. Yeah. We here for a good time, not a long time. Shit. We about to go to my homegirl's bar. And then I'm going home. Pull over that ass too fat. Whoop whoop. Down in the truck. Guys like what? Ain't that hoe got more booty in the butt? Cisco made that song when they see me in the thong. The thong, thong, thong. Wanna like a booty go? Like a pro? Don't wanna go? Ain't that hoe got more booty in the butt? Woo woo, pull over that ass too fat. Pull over that ass too fat. Woo woo. Woo woo. Got more booty in the butt. Down to the truck. Guys like what? Ain't that hoe got more booty in the butt? Cisco made that song. They see me in the thong, the thong, thong, thong. Now you know you can't turn left right there. They gon' get your ass. They gon' get your ass. Yeah. Lord. We're gonna turn around right here. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it. The big ass truck, black truck. Did that motherfucking Yui. 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 Wee. And did. Well, I don't never see nobody driving the Waymo. Never seen nobody driving these.
Well, it's your first time, I guess.
How did you get in there?
Hey, we test these things, make sure they safe for you whenever you need to drive.
What? I never seen. I didn't think. Can you drive it? Can you drive it without hands with the driving it?
I mean, yeah, but that's not what I'm doing.
Got you.
Yeah, it drives by itself.
That's crazy. I never seen nobody in there. I was surprised to see you. Shit.
Hello.
Hello. Have a good day. Drive safe. I ain't never seen nobody in that damn Waymo van. I mean car. Ever. Ever? Excuse me? Come on now. They driving slow. Let's go. Bro. I am not crazy. That girl, her lace is melted. Her lace is melted. Go over here real quick. How did I come out? How did I get outside? How did I get outside? I still gotta go to the car wash. Who about to feel like going to the car wash? Who? And I gotta get gas too? Shit. Alright, y'all, I'm off of you. Bye.